All right, guys, I am in my 2024 Honda Ridgeline. I had a idle stopper in my 2023 Ridgeline, and I thought it would work in my 2024. No, it doesn't work. Okay, so I got to take it back out, and I'm going to put in the new one that will work for the year 2024. It's just, the new technology upgrade and everything like that is what caused it to not work. So first thing you got to do. Okay, so I've got the regular center console. This is it. It's actually broken, and I'm going to get that fixed here by the dealership in a few weeks. But this part here is a plastic piece, and it just comes out, okay? So you see the blue clips there. You just need to pull it straight up, and then it exposes these two screws in there. And I'm doing everything with one hand, so bear with me here. But you got two screws. Once these screws come out, you'll have access to more things here. So give me a second. Don't really need any power tools for this, for just two screws. All right, so that's going to come out. Let's see here. I don't want to lose the screw. All right, so that's out. Does this part just wiggle out? I can't remember, because I put the old one in there underneath. You know what, guys, I'm back, and you know what, I don't think I needed to remove those two screws, because you're just pulling this up and it pops out. Okay, so that's it. So once this thing pops up, it's going to give you access to the inside, and that's where all the magic happens. Okay, so on the inside, I put in this is the 2023 idle stopper right here. Okay, idle stopper, that's the 2023 one. That didn't work, so we're going to switch it out. So what we're going to do is going to pull this out and swap it with the new one. Okay, so that's going to come out. Pull this out here. Try to do it with one hand. Give me a second. Okay, so I just pulled right out. So this piece actually goes into here when it was originally done. Okay, but that's what you press to turn off the idle stopper manually. And I've got the new piece here in my pocket. That's what it looks like. So all it did is just a smaller version right there. It's called ASS Disable Bypass. Okay, this was pretty cheap. I'm gonna put this in the description where you can buy this off Amazon. I think it was like 54 bucks or something like that. But anyways, so let's see if I can do this here one-handed. Okay, so that's in. Then you're going to take this and put that in the button area right behind it. Not there. Okay, done. Okay, so just
I found this on the web.
Just did that. Let's turn on the vehicle and see what happens. Okay, so just got that done. Let's put it in the car, see what happens. Right now it says off. So default is off, okay? And that's what we want. And I just pushed it back. I just pushed the button here to turn it back on. So if I push it now, it's gonna turn it back off right there, okay? Now if I push the button again, it turns it off, okay? So this one's working, and this one's actually a lot cheaper than the idle stopper that I bought for the 2023. So it's working, it's working. And if there's any issues with it, I'll definitely give you guys an update. Otherwise, yeah, you can find this in my description to buy this for your 2024 or 2025 Honda Ridgeline. It's got the new instrument panel and some tech upgrades, and I think that's why that's why the 2023 version didn't work. But now I don't have to worry about pushing that button. Yes, I know a lot of people are gonna be like, well, all you have to do is push the button and it turns off. Well, you know what? I guess I'm just lazy about that. So now I don't have to think about it. I like having to do things more automated. And you know, you just wear your starter out and your battery out if you don't disable that stupid thing. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to be installing a VCM disabler, so that my cylinders, all 6 of them, will be running constantly all the time, so there's no cylinder deactivation. So that's my next video coming up in a few weeks, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys this is how it works. I'm just going to pop it back in, and it's good to go. I mean, honestly, I didn't have to take the 2 screws out, so it just snaps back down like that. I'll put the screws in, put this back in, and you're done. So even easier to do than the 2023, because the 2023 you had to take out the charging pad. So cool. Give it a thumbs up, guys.